Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are heading up near St Austell Town to explore two more beautiful beaches, Carlyon Bay and Porthpean Beach. Come and have a look around with us. First up we headed over to Porthpean Beach. Porthpean is one of St Austell's most popular beaches for families. It has adequate parking, only a short walk from the beach, and the beach is fairly small, giving a shorter walk to the water, and there are tons of shells washed up here too to explore. Porthpean is backed by steep cliffs, giving a more sheltered beach, so it's perfect for families with calmer waters. Although it is great for water sports and swimming, please be aware there is no lifeguard cover at this beach. There are toilets and a cafe open on the beach edge seasonally, and the beach does connect to the southwest footpath, and it is only a short walk from the gorgeous Charleston Harbour and Georgian port. Up next we headed over to Carlyon Bay, probably St Austell's most popular beach. It looks like something from a movie. Saying this beach is massive is an understatement. Even on the busiest day in high season, you will always be able to find a spot to sit on this vast beach. Carlyon Beach stretches for over 2 miles, and although it looks like golden sand, the texture here is a little different, a little bit more chalky, and that's because the sand here is made up from china clay waste and tin. Be warned, it can leave a bit of a white cast on your clothes, but it does wash out absolutely fine. The beach is so large it's technically even broken up into 3 parts: Crinnis, Shorthorn and Polgather. Crinnis is the part that is most popular. Let's go have a look around it. Let us know if you have visited any of these places. Please do like and subscribe if you've enjoyed our content, as it helps to get our little channel seen. Thank you again so much for watching. We will see you next time.